Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I want to share with you a new design. Beaded Labradorite bracelets with a sterling silver clasp. I filmed a video of how to make this style last year. It was a brown tiger eye bracelet. So here's what we need today. 6mm high quality blue flash Labradorite. Very beautiful. And 2 pieces of 4mm spacer beads. And the S-clasp. It's a new clasp from factory and it really goes well with 6mm beads. 0.5mm stainless steel wire with plastic coating. And 2.2mm positioning beads, very small, and of course pliers. For a sample bracelet, I usually make it 6.5 inches wrist size. This wrist gauge is available in my store DIYnotion.com. The reason why I use 2 spacer beads next to the positioning beads, because after you cut the wire, there will be an ending wire here. And then you can tag it in. Like this. And you finish making it. Instead of just tucking in the crystal bead, this is how it looks. And you can compare with the Labradorite one. This one looks more classy and complete. And if you still remember, I always like to make it a theme. I come up with this design. I'll make all colors available because you never know which color your customer is looking for, like amethyst, aquamarine, malachite, rose quartz, brown tiger eye, golden sunstone, red garnet, And do you know what this is? It's the rarest color of Botswana agate, very nice pink and special pattern. Just get all the color ready for your customer. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye.